Hey guys, it's Lucas here, and welcome back to Microfiber Monday here on the Eurow YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be looking at some detailer's preference products that are perfect for your glass, windshield, and screens. It is absolutely so important to have towels specifically designed for these delicate surfaces. That's why we created our suede and glass weave towels to tackle the job. First, we have our glass weave towels. These come in a 2-pack. The detailer's preference windshield and glass cleaning towels. With their chevron-like woven design, it's ideal for cleaning the windows, mirrors, and polishing the chrome of your car. The ultra-fine texture of the towels leaves a streak-free and lint-free finish every time. Next, we have our suede electronic screen cleaning towels. These also come in a 2-pack. These detailer's preference electronic screen cleaners are perfect for taking out smudges, fingerprints, and dust from your car's screens. Simply spray the towels with a screen-specific cleaning solution and wipe. Another great addition for you detailers to have is a water blade or silicone squeegee, which makes cleaning windows so efficient. The detailer's preference squeegee safely wipes liquids and water from windows without scratching or leaving water spots. The squeegee is made with a comfortable ergonomic and non-slip grip for an easy clean. And that's the end of this video. If you are interested in these products, check the description below. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, comment what kind of video you want to see next, and be sure to follow us on our social media. This has been Microfiber Monday, and I'll see you on the next one.